All right, so here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to do a clipping path to get rid of the background and remove this, like as accurately as humanly possible. So I'm zooming in here, with this, but I'm just doing it by hand. And this is my hand tool. You're going to need this too. So instead of going all the way over here, you just press space bar, and then you can do that. So we're going to get the pen tool going over here. And if you press on the pen tool, you'll see these other ones. You can add anchor points and delete them. But the convert one is something you're really going to focus on right now. And uh, in addition to just the regular pen tool. So here we go. I'm just going to start. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, a little extra for this, just so you can see, because I'm not going to do the whole thing. I already have one done here. So you'll see this is the one I already have done, but I'm going to start a new one here. Boom. And now we've got a work path. You can name it later. Don't worry about that. So I'm just gonna, I mean, you can get as accurate as you want. I can get into that little tiny crevice there. Um, some of that stuff, when you're doing 100 of these a day, you probably won't be doing it this good. But, and that does happen. But we're gonna go down here and boom, and see, I'm holding Option now. That's that convert point tool I was mentioning. But you just hold Option. It's a lot easier. You do not want to go back and forth over there. Now, since I did click off, I'm going to hold Command here, and you can see that you can select, or I can just go over there and restart it. It gets you that little square there, means you're starting it again. Um, Pressing space, and now I'm just cruising. So I'm going to hold Option there and move it back over a little bit that way. Press the space bar, and so then you can see here I can you can, that's a little too far out, but once you get the hang of this and there's no little crevices and stuff you want to get inside of, you can go down and just, keep cruising. And then I'm gonna zoom in here. I'm pressing the P tool. Now you can, just trim a little bit off if it's needed, but I'm just gonna show you. You can go around the corner here like this, and then I'm gonna, hold Option and that little fray off. I mean, you don't have to. You can go around it, but for the sake of speed, I just want to show you. So that's how you go around the corner. And now I'm just gonna. Well, you can rename this guy here, but I'm gonna go ahead and uh, delete that. And now I'm just gonna zoom out. And so I already have a path here. So I'm gonna show you. That's a completed one. And you can make a selection out of it right here. See, that's the little dotted line. Marching ants are called. I'm gonna deselect that. And or you can just hold Command and click. Then you've got the selection, and then that's where you would you know you can copy and paste it. Now you've got two on different layers, so then now that guy's on its own layer. See that? So yeah, you could drag it over to a different document, do whatever you need, and then but yeah, remember now your path's not on it, so I do have it on the other layer there. So um, yep, the path doesn't move with the image, so that's a good thing I did that. And now let me show you just I'm going to edit it a little bit more. I got the pen tool again. I'm going to hold Command, and you can grab parts of it, kind of like Illustrator. I don't know if you've used Illustrator before or not. And then, so I'm just going to do this roughly to show you closing them. So you just go boom, boom, and then you get here and you got a little circle there. That means you're closing the path, and that's all she wrote. Now your path is there, and you can always go back and edit these and just highlight it and go to town if you got to change something. So really useful, and it you can't really get any more accurate for cutting products out, at least. All right, hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like and let me know in the comments. Thanks.